With the rise of electric vehicles, OEMs face a growing challenge: reduced after-sales revenue. As EVs require less maintenance, OEMs are experiencing a significant reduction in revenue from spare parts business. Additionally, today's customers expect more intelligent, data-driven solutions that make their vehicle maintenance effortless and proactive. Where there's a challenge, there's an opportunity. Set yourself apart by capturing aftermarket revenue from tire and brake wear, powered by COMPREDICT. With COMPREDICT's virtual sensors, you gain real-time insights into tire and brake wear with unmatched accuracy of less than 0.5 millimeters, allowing you to reliably target customers when they need it most. Additionally, our solution forecasts how long tires and brakes will last before replacement, ensuring customers receive service at the right time. The result? Improved operational efficiency, higher customer loyalty, and increased spare parts sales. OEMs can now offer predictive maintenance, boosting after-sales revenue by more than €180 per vehicle. COMPREDICT's virtual sensors are 100% software, making them easy to deploy across multiple platforms, including infotainment systems and SDV architectures. Our virtual sensors have been rigorously tested and validated across a wide range of conditions, including extreme hot and cold environments, various road surfaces, and different tire and brake types and brands, ensuring reliability under all circumstances. Trusted by Renault through a series production contract and backed by Toyota's Growth Fund, COMPREDICT guarantees industry-leading performance. Drive your after-sales revenue with COMPREDICT's virtual sensors.